Looking to save big on your crypto taxes? Well, you're in luck. Today, I've got an exclusive discount code for the Koinly app just for you. Click the link in the description below to grab your discount now. Now, let's dive right in. If you're into crypto trading, you know how complicated tracking your gains and losses can be. That's where Koinly comes in. It's an amazing tool that simplifies your crypto tax calculations. Koinly automatically imports your transactions, calculates your capital gains, and helps you generate tax reports in minutes. Pretty cool, right? Why should you care about this discount? Well, using Koinly can save you hours of manual work and help you avoid costly mistakes. And with our special discount code, you're getting all these benefits at a fraction of the cost. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this deal. Let's talk about how easy it is to get started. First, click the link in the description below and sign up for Koinly. Then, enter the discount code during checkout to enjoy your savings. It's that simple. You'll be up and running in no time, with all your crypto tax woes taken care of. And for those wondering if Koinly supports your favorite exchanges and wallets, the answer is a resounding yes. Koinly supports over 300 exchanges and wallets, making it super convenient for you to manage all your crypto transactions in one place. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description now, grab your discount, and start simplifying your crypto taxes with Koinly today. Don't let tax season stress you out any longer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!